In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a selected part of your drawing. Flipping a selection is a quick way to mirror shapes, fix symmetry, or create reflections without redrawing anything. With your artwork open, the first thing you'll do is choose the selection tool from the toolbar. In most creative apps, this tool looks like a dotted rectangle or a cursor that lets you highlight an area. If your software offers multiple selection styles, pick the one that suits your subject. Box selections are great for simple shapes, while freeform or polygon selections can hug irregular edges. What matters is that you're using a selection tool to define the area you want to mirror. Next, drag to select the part of your drawing you want to flip. Take your time here, zoom in if you need precision, and make sure the entire subject is inside the selection boundary so nothing gets cut off. If you accidentally include too much, refine the selection before moving on. Most programs let you adjust the boundary by dragging its corners or edges, so you can tighten the fit without starting over. Once your selection looks good, right-click directly inside it to open the context menu, or glance up to the tool options bar if your app shows extra controls there. You're looking for the flip commands. Choose flip horizontal to mirror left to right, perfect for reversing the direction of a character or object. Choose flip vertical to mirror top to bottom, useful for reflections or when you want to invert the orientation of an element. Think of horizontal as flipping across a vertical axis and vertical as flipping across a horizontal axis. As soon as you select the flip direction, the selected area will flip immediately. If it doesn't look the way you expected, simply undo and try the other direction, or fine-tune your selection and repeat. If you notice a harsh edge where the flipped area meets the rest of the drawing, it can help to slightly soften your selection before flipping, or clean up the seam with a gentle eraser or blending tool afterward. A quick recap. Use the selection tool to highlight the exact part of your drawing you want to mirror. Right-click inside that selection or use the tool options bar. Choose flip horizontal or flip vertical, and the change happens instantly. This simple technique can save you time and keep your proportions consistent across your artwork. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try it on a few different shapes to build muscle memory, and you'll be flipping selections like a pro in no time.